August 15, 2017, Glasgow, Scotland. Not that any of you would ever forget that day. It's wonderful to have something appropriate to celebrate it with every year. Bravo, gentlemen.
We've instituted our Person of the Year Award to recognize people that go way beyond the call of duty, to show what we're about, to behave the way a Currie behaves. God help us. We're going to make this an annual event, and I hope you will all, through your activities and your support and your prayers and occasionally your dollars, might want to be up for this award yourself. I would like to just carefully read the inscription: Clan Currie Society Inspire Award. We decided that the right name for a clan whose motto is Inspired to Victory is the Inspire Award. And that's what this man does every day. Even when he stopped judging at the Commonwealth Games, you'd still see him as one of the torch runners through the streets of Glasgow, mostly downhill, I understand, if I'm not mistaken, but without white trousers and without falling down. And his Clan Currie killed. So this is presented to Andy Currie, August 19, 2017. Andy, congratulations.
First time in 800 years, Clan Currie is going to have a new commander and hopefully eventually a chief, and I am just so proud and pleased to have been a part of it. Can't really even express it. So there you go.
Before the events of this past Tuesday, when Bob was elected commander, the idea of the Curries as a group formally recognized was only an intangible dream, but it's been brought full circle. It's real, and the experience has been just lovely, is all I can say.
This week I've been welcomed into an extended family, this wonderful family of Curries, and I feel so welcomed. They've welcomed our friends, and these are top-notch people, and I feel very honored to be a part of this adventure with them.
Because of Bob Currie and a lot of his followers, my wife Stacy and I were able to really reconnect with a family that we didn't know. And after 272 years of tartans not even being allowed in the castle, it's truly historic. And we are just so fortunate not only to be Curries, but Curries in Edinburgh here in August during festival.
We're just thrilled to be here. It's been an amazing week. I've thoroughly enjoyed learning all about the Clan Currie and the history of the family, and we're really excited to be going up to the Edinburgh Castle in a few minutes.
So I've been brought up with Clan Currie. I've been a part of this my whole life. So this week has been very special, kind of. The culmination of all that in a very official way. It was wonderful to come together as a family, but it was wonderful for more than one reason. And one of that was to welcome someone else to the Currie family. I proposed to Kelly a couple of days ago on the Isle of Arran, overlooking the sea and the bay, which was absolutely beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And it was lovely to be there and create a memory there where many of the Curries are from. So it was a lovely trip we'll never forget.
This week has been a chance to be together with other Curries from all over, not only the States, all over Scotland, all over the world, and to get a sense of the wider family gathered. It's a very different feel, it's very rousing, gives us a sense of history as well as how we serve.
So bring my greetings to Curries everywhere. We know many of you would have loved to have joined us. We sense that you were with us in spirit. We look forward to connecting with you in the days, months, years, and decades to come.